This is a review of the heavy duty garbage can 45-gallon capacity level that I would highly recommend. This is a pretty huge, like when it comes to storing your trash, this is really big. Like I mentioned, 45-gallon capacity. And one of the things I like about it is that the handlebar feels really good and it feels durable. And you can see that I have some trash stored in here as well too. When I open it up, you can see that the size of it inside, it really is very huge. You could fit, fit pretty much a lot of trash inside, and you can see I have some of, the trash that I don't need. I, threw inside there. I would highly recommend this if you're looking for a new garbage can because it really is a durable and pretty much a heavy duty one when it comes to storing trash inside. I would highly recommend this trash can if you're looking for a replacement set or a new one that is pretty much an upgraded one. This is probably one of the best ones since it is, for heavy duty and it's 45-gallon capacity. It's really huge inside. The storage inside is really huge to fit a lot of trash inside. I would highly recommend this.